Chad Construction. Welcome to Chad Construction, South Africa's leading fast-track light steel building manufacturer and erector. At Chad, we realize that speed and quality are prime requisites for today's construction industry. We opted to specialize in the light steel construction technology because this is the only system that delivers on these requisites. In 2008, Chad completed a 75 million rand project for Steinhoff. It was the largest light steel housing development in South Africa to date. This turnkey project was based in the remote town of Ugie in the Eastern Cape. The client's brief was to provide 20,000 square meters of high-quality housing for their employees with special care to the environment. The construction was done in extreme climate conditions, ranging from 1,400 millimeters of rain to snow and abnormally strong winds. Chad Construction's responsibility included bulk earthworks, erection of the houses, boundary fencing, landscaping and roadways. A tight deadline of 12 months was contracted with Chad Construction, and Chad successfully completed the project on time and in budget, exceeding our clients' expectations. While Chad are highly effective at building in the conventional brick and mortar method, we would never have delivered on the client's brief if it wasn't for our world-renowned fast-track steel construction system. Chad's fast-track building system reduces building time by up to 60% compared with traditional building methods. We create many advantages for our clients, the most important being an early return on their investment and early occupation of the houses. Our mobile roll formers allow us to manufacture on site. This brings a considerable saving on time. The CAD designs are programmed into the roll former's computer. The slit steel coil is then loaded into the roll formers. The steel passes through a series of hydraulic presses and hole punches. Finally, the formed steel is cut to the required dimensions. The entire operation is overseen by a qualified operator. Manufacturing and assembly errors are virtually non-existent, due to the formed frames being accurate to within a 0.5 millimeter margin. One roll former is capable of manufacturing all the framing necessary for a 200 square meter house in a single 10-hour shift. Trained assemblers easily undertake the frame assembly and riveting. The frames fit together with logic and simplicity. Local job creation is possible because minimal skill and training is required. To visually show you the light steel system, let's visit one of our 2009 construction projects in a remote part of KwaZulu-Natal. This 35 million rand development consists of residential and commercial buildings forming a total of 18,000 square meters. Due to the remote location, 60 kilometers from the closest town, ablution facilities, accommodation and site offices had to be set up for our construction teams. We use our own fleet of trucks to transport materials from the nearest town onto site. This helps to avoid external transport problems and stick to our tight deadlines. Through time-lapse video, it is easy to see why the light steel building system saves time when compared to conventional building. Lightweight galvanized steel is easy to manhandle and move on site. This brings a significant reduction in the expense and use of heavy lifting equipment. The lightness of the steel structure has the added strength and benefit of reducing the concrete slab thickness. The entire superstructure can be erected and secured in just one day with all the plumbing pipes and electrical conduits installed. This is possible because the steel frames are pre-punched with holes for quick and easy installation of mechanical, electrical and plumbing services. From the second day, the other trades follow closely behind. We add the insulation, waterproofing, cladding and roofing, as well as finishing installing the plumbing and electrical fixtures. These tasks take another 4 to 5 days to complete. This 6-day process is equivalent to the conventional brickwork, plastering and roofing process, but within a considerably shorter time frame. Time-consuming practices like wetworks, chasing of plumbing and electrical conduits, replastering, breaking down of newly structured walls to accommodate water and electrical reticulation are a thing of the past. Due to the accuracy of the system, maintenance recalls are drastically reduced when using the light steel system. Quality workmanship and installations of the internal finishes, including doors, windows, walls, floors and ceilings, are made possible due to the accuracy of construction that the light steel system allows. The wall cavities can be filled with 1. Cavity bats, providing greater temperature control than traditional building structures, as well as improved acoustic insulation between rooms. Or 2. With lightweight concrete, which is quick and easy. Chad Construction's responsibility on this project includes a full turnkey appointment, including furnishing the units with all the necessary comforts of a home. Chad Construction will once again be handing over a successful development to a happy client. The system is versatile enough to be used for low to high-end housing, warehousing, commercial buildings, schools, hospitals, even multiple-story apartment blocks. You will also be spoiled for choice when selecting internal and external finishes. The system can deliver all the finishes traditional building can, and more. A combination of the light steel building system and the conventional brick and mortar structure can be engineered to satisfy our clients' every need. This is useful for revamps, additions and renovations. The fast-track light gauge steel construction system is a high-quality product, consistently beating traditional building methods on all quality and sustainability levels. The system is approved by the NHBRC and is compliant with all national and international building codes and regulations. Max Unigro from Maestro Architects gives testimony to the light steel system.
Speed of erection has got to give the client some kind of saving. The fact that the system has been used around the world for many years proves that it is a system that is going to stay. And I think in South Africa we will use this system more and more in the future, specifically because of the energy saving qualities that it has.
The last ingredient that makes the light steel system really shine is Chad Construction's exceptional service to our valued clients. We have dedicated teams focusing on all aspects of construction in order to offer our clients the rare advantage of a truly turnkey building solution. We have all the tools, equipment, resources and manpower necessary to deliver on any size development at any location. The light steel building system is financed by the 4 major financial institutions, and Chad Construction is a registered builder with the National Home Builders Registration Council. We are also members of the South African Light Steel Frame Building Association and have a Level 4 broad-based Black Economic Empowerment status. Added proof of our ability to deliver is our shortlisted nomination at the 2008 South African Institute of Steel Construction Awards in the lightweight steel category. Chris Crace from Steinhoff tells us about his experience on the Yugi project with Chad Construction.
Steinhoff successfully awarded a project to Chad Construction in the Eastern Cape in Yugi to build 100 houses for us comprising of 3 bedrooms and sizes of 200 square meters. While there's a few companies out there that offers exactly the same solution like steel frame systems, we opted to go for Chad Construction. The reasons being is personal commitment from top management of Chad Construction, their dedication, and they looking after the client's need. It doesn't matter if they need to work in snow, late hours in night, they really look after your interests and to ensure that your tight deadlines are met. We will definitely recommend this light steel system to any company that's in need to erect houses for staff on a quick basis and a very economical basis.
With Chad Construction, your development is built right, first time, every time, on time.
Thank you for watching our presentation. We hope that we opened your mind to the possibility of this alternative building method. Because I believe in the light steel building system, I have made a personal commitment to introduce and increase the market share of this progressive building system. Chad Construction can satisfy all your construction requirements, and we're looking forward to setting up a meeting with you to discuss your next project.
Chad Construction is based in Johannesburg, South Africa. Call now on Johannesburg, South Africa area code 011 672 1105.